Hello, we are the American Goldfinch. I think we're in the wrong video though. We were featured in Bird Stories 2 video. I'm sure Cindy will leave a link in the description box below so you can watch us there. That's right, Finch. Today's story is about Harry the House Finch. Yum yum, these sunflower seeds are delicious. We like sunflower seeds, and we also like sugar water from the hummingbird feeders. Hello there, my name is Harry, and I'm a house finch. Such a joy to be with you today.
Hey Harry, it's gonna be cold tonight. Let's huddle.
Look out, here comes Jay. He's so mean.
Where'd everybody go? Just wanted to say hi, guys. Oh, well, more food for me.
My ancestors originally were only found in the western United States. But in the 1940s, when a pet store in New York illegally sold caged house finches, the store let the birds go to avoid becoming jailbirds.
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Noah.
Noah, who?
Noah, any good bird jokes? What type of birds spend lots of time on their knees? Birds of prey?
Mr. Woodpecker, that's a groaner.
What type of bird doesn't need a comb? A bald eagle.
Watch out. You know, we house finches are territorial around food and nest sites, and we become aggressive, especially at feeders. We especially don't like having the house sparrows around since they eat our food too.
Why do owls get invited to parties? Because they're a hoot.
For the Lord is good. Celebrate his lovely name with music.
I like to eat seeds. I'm very careful about getting nutrition from the seeds. And unlike other birds, I do not like eating insects. Ew! No bugs, just seeds, please. Well, hello there, sweetie. Would you like me to feed you? I can regurgitate some food here real quick. You want to be mine, do you? Do you? Whee! Ooh, I'm slipping. Ah!
Ooh, I'm shy.
Water. I'm looking for water. I need to drink 20% of my body weight every day. But it has to be clean water because, you know, there's this disease that spread through contact called conjunctivitis, and it's plagued the house finch for several years. Please keep your bird baths and feeders clean. Hey, Mr. Woodpecker, you all out of jokes?
What kind of bird is the cleanest? A dove.
We're out of here.
When you see us house finches, think of good things to come and celebrate and have lots of joy. We are joyful birds.
Sing aloud unto God our strength. Make a joyful noise unto the God of Jacob. O come, let us sing unto the Lord. Let us make a joyful noise to the rock of our salvation.
What do you have to be so happy about? You're just little runts, easy prey for any creature bigger than you.
We may be smaller than you, but we have a huge creator who watches over us and provides what we need when we need it, why wouldn't we be happy about that?
What do you call a woodpecker with no beak? A headbanger.
I love to sing anytime, whether I'm flying high or sitting low.
Did you hear about the woodpecker who found some really firm bark? It was impeccable.
Thank you, Mr. Woodpecker. We appreciate the joy that you added to our day, but now it's time to go.